Hello and welcome back to Chris the Butcher and Friends. Right, so Louisa just hit me with, I want to eat healthy from now on. I only want to eat meat, I only want to eat vegetables. Now, there can be a dirty joke made out of that, but I'm not going to do. I'm going to all grown up about it, right? So, also, right, it's a birthday in 2 weeks. And she's asked me for an early birthday present, right? And it's a rake of makeup, and also she wants to go blonde again. And I'm like, for fuck's sake. So, you know what I say? If you can't beat them, fucking join them. So, today's video, it's going to be an healthy video. Well, healthy meal. Nothing healthy about these fucking videos, is there? But I'm going to do a spaghetti bolognese with carrots, red bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, this piece of shit here, linguine pasta, because she did mention that she can eat pasta, very little oil, a dolmio, some 95% mince. I might drain the fat off, I might not, but hey, we'll crack on it. So the first thing in the pan, just a drop of cold pressed rapeseed oil. Then we're going to add our carrots. Don't mind if an onion escapes as well, can't be helped. I did put them on the same fucking plate. That'll do. Now, just want to sweat these down. Just try and soften them up a little bit before I put anything else in. Apart from the rest of the fucking onion, obviously. But that was going to happen. Right, I'd set out with 5 minutes, but I got distracted. It's been more like 10 and nearly burnt the bastards. So I'll get the rest of these onions in. Get them going. And I think next we'll go in and brown the mince. Right, we're going in with our mince, which incidentally, I just remembered it was still in van from yesterday, so I had to go out and retrieve it, but it's cold out, so it'll be fine. So this will take me a while to brown this off, if I keep everything in the fucking pan, that is. Now that's browned off. Now, I do apologise to you diehards out there. It's Worcestershire sauce, but it's the cheap shit from Lidl. Now that's it. Red bell peppers and some mushrooms, which incidentally I've had garlic in them. Because have I told you? Yeah, I fucking told you, haven't I? Right, I'm going to try and get these in here now without spilling them all over the fucking sides. Because as per usual, I've fucking over-exaggerated everything and I ain't got a fucking pan big enough. Right, this camera thing and microphone's a learning curve, innit, right? I've just done 2 segments where you've seen me put some Blossom Hill wine in, well, you want to see me actually, and a beef stock cube. Now, incidentally, I had the camera running, I had the mic on, but the mic was fucking switched off. So I might take them out, I might leave them in, but it'd be fucking silent, like a silent movie if I do. Right, well that's reduced sufficiently. Time for the dolmio sauce. Oh no, that slid out quite well, look. So, try and get that evenly distributed. I tell you what, there's far too much meat, veg, wine, beef stock to actually for the dolmio. But what I'm going to do with that now is Don't worry, I know what I'm talking about. I'm going to get there. Right, stirred. I'm going to get that lid on it. I'm going to swap it. Ooh, there's about fucking £5 in there. Get me water, up to the boil, get some salt in it. Hang on, can you see? There we go. Get some salt in this now. Salty water. Add a bit more water, get it to boil, and we're going to get our linguine on. Right, my salty water is at a rolling boil. So, apparently you put it in like that, let it fold in, spin it round, turn it to a medium heat, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. So, anyway, it's on a fucking plate. Right, let's delve in here and have a taste test. Well, there it is. My healthy spag bowl with carrots, red bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, linguine pasta, 95% lean mince, and some parsley. So some green shit on top to make it look nice, because I can't put cheese on it, otherwise that'll make it really, really unhealthy. Anyway, Kieran's here. Kieran's just turned up, so I better watch the language. Right, we're not asked about the parsley, are we? But it's on there. Oh, it's all about using flavours, isn't it? Now, there's a shitload of garlic in this, but anybody that knows me knows we love garlic. Now, that's linguine pasta. I don't know if it's supposed to taste anything different other than pasta anyway. The only thing I can say is probably a bit underdone. Because I like trying to eat elastic bands. But tasty! So anyway, you can eat healthy, right? And you can eat cheap as well, because that was fucking cheap. There's no reason not to. The only oil I used was a tiny sprayer. The drizzle of cold pressed, extra virgin cold pressed rapeseed oil. Right, now I've got my teeth in. Also, I have got that. It's, as I was saying for Christmas, it's my vape. But honestly, I take one inhale of that and my arsehole comes through my mouth. It's fucking vicious. But I'll crack on with it anyway. Now, how the fuck can that be better for me? Seriously, I felt this fucking hairy thing come top of my throat there now. I had to swallow it quick because it was my fucking arsehole. But hey, yeah, forget the vape. That healthy spag bol, full of flavour, absolutely fucking mad fucking fine. Unlike my new hairdo. But hey, if you like it, press like, comment, share in all your social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Add me on Snapchat. Just search for Chris the Butcher. I'm there. If I'm on social media, just search Chris the Butcher. If I'm there, I'm fucking there. If I'm not on it, am I? Right, anyway, press subscribe and become a member of #2CTB, where me, Chris the Butcher, Happy New Year. I hope you get all the wishes and dreams fucking that you desire. But if you don't, anyway, I still fucking love you.
Hi, my name is